Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you I wanted to do a trim to this haircut. So as you can see, I have a new haircut. I did this 2 days ago, I think. This is not going to be a tutorial. I just want to share with you what I did on my hair, since I almost share everything I do on my hair. I don't really do that much. I basically just straighten my hair in the winter and do wash and go in the summer, but sometimes I change my hair color, bleach, stuff like that. So since I have a new haircut, I figure why not share it with you. As I said, I was not planning to do a haircut. I just wanted to do a little bit of trim, since I bleached my hair like the end of last year, and I knew I was gonna ruin my hair. I just knew I was okay with that. I had a little bit of heat damage before the bleach, but then the bleach just damaged like my hair. I'm gonna put a picture so you can see, but thank God for Olaplex. I use Olaplex, and for a month I have a video, but it really helped to bring back like my curls. But still, it's been like a year that I want to do a haircut. I was just not sure if I wanted to do like now, since I was trying at the same time to just grow my hair as much as I can. But you know what? Enough of talking. Let me just explain how I did this haircut. So basically, as you can see, my hair was really damaged with the bleach. The ends, most of the front of my hair, the rest of my hair was not that bad. But I wanted to do a trim and just a little bit of like cut of my hair, maybe like 2 inches, maybe 3. So I decided to start to just cut my hair, cut the ends. I was trimming my hands, and then the urge of like wanting my haircut just came back. So what I did is I started to cut like more of my hair without like really like thinking about it. I was just like, you know what? Some of my hair is already damaged. I wanted this haircut for a year now. Let's just go for it. So as you can see, I'm just cutting my hair. By the way, guys, this is not the best thing to do. That, like, don't cut your hair while it's like a whole straight hair, because your roots, it's already reversed. So when you are cutting, it's not gonna be like the same level, but it's not gonna be that bad. You're gonna be able to see that even if I did cut on like a whole straight hair, when I did straight them again, it was not that bad. I just had some part that was a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, but nothing crazy. So I just started to cut my hair just a little bit. This is what I will suggest if you want to cut your hair. Make sure you start a little bit, and then if you want to take more, you can just cut more hair, because you can't put your hair back, obviously. So start like a little and then go your way up. So basically, yeah, I just start to chop my hair. And then when I did a wash and go, I was really happy with the length. I love the wash and go. It felt more healthy. Then I did a month of like using Olaplex number 0 and number 3. I'll do a video soon. I'm gonna put a video soon where I show you my result. But I use Olaplex number 0 and number 3 for 3 weeks. Then I straightened my hair like 2 days ago. And I love like the level. I think it was like maybe there, but it was not short enough for me. Like, I just wanted to do a shorter haircut, so I cut them again. I just cut them again, like basically just one length cutting. This is not the best way again to cut your hair, but then I just did that. and I was really happy with the result. Then after, I just like make sure I straighten my hair, and then I make sure I separate my hair, and you know, like just like cut on this direction, but like pull my hair and just make sure I cut it like that. And then after, what I did is just like trim the hair like this, so it doesn't look like one like full haircut. So this is pretty much it. It's again, it's not really like this video, it's a little bit all over the place. It's just to share with you guys my new haircut, so when you see my next video, you are not shocked that, hey, she cut your hair. Like, and if some of you wanted to see how I did that, at least you have a little video so you can see what I did. But this is pretty much it. I love my new haircut. I probably gonna, like, I did a little bit of layers, but nothing crazy. I'm still thinking if I want more layers like in the front, but for now I really love it. It's so like light. The hair, it's really light, it's really healthy, and because of the Olaplex, my hair feel really like thick and healthy, just healthy, honestly. I did a training yesterday and I just went to bed with a bun, so it's not as straight as it is. So yeah, this is it. I'm probably gonna do like some videos to give you some update of my hair growth, because I don't think I'm gonna go shorter than that, because I always, when I cut my hair, I always think about my wash and go, since I have a lot of shrinkage, especially in the back. I try to not cut more than like my shoulder, but it's been a really long time that I didn't have like this short. So yeah, I'm good with this length. So I'm gonna see how fast or how much my hair can grow by the end of the year. So I'll probably just share some video with you of like my progress and what I did to help grow my hair. And I was not sure if I wanted to say that on YouTube, because when I say it, for me, it's like I have to do it. So I'm gonna say it because it's gonna help me to make sure like I keep my word and make sure I do this challenge. But I'm doing a challenge of not putting any hair color until the end of the year. I said it. I said it. This is too late now. Am I gonna put it on the video? Yeah, let's do it, because I already start. Like the last time I put like a color or bleach on my hair was, I think it was the December 28th, and I didn't put any color since then. It's been already 3 months, which for me it's a lot. It doesn't look a lot, but usually like, no, sometimes I do 3 months, but usually after 3 months, this is like the time, to be honest. I was thinking, do I want to go a little bit lighter? Do I want to put like my roots lighter, or just like go darker? So yeah, by saying that, I'm trying to do one here without putting any hair color or bleach. Now I have to do it, because this is how I am. Like if I'm doing a challenge and I say I'm gonna do something, in my head is like, you have to do it. So I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna put any hair color until December 28th of 2021. I just want to say I still put my toner. For me, it's not color. Like the toner is just like to make sure I keep my hair toned and not brassy, like to make sure my hair is not brassy. So yes, I'm still gonna use Manic Panic on my conditioner to tone my hair, but I'm not gonna put any hair color, even if it's like temporary. I might put some hair wax color, because this is not really hair color, right? It like just go after you wash it. So yeah, I'll find like way to survive this year. It looks like nothing crazy, but for me, it is a challenge. It is a challenge. Like people that know me, know that this is gonna be a challenge, but I'm ready for it. I already did like 3 months, almost 3 months, so yay. Yeah, so this is pretty much it. I'm happy I did it. I was hesitant at first because I was like, oh, I wanted to see how long my hair can grow. I used to say hair is just hair, it's gonna grow back, but you know what, I stopped saying that because one person that is close to me start to like just lose hair, and I know that hair can be a really important part of like someone life. So for me, saying hair is just hair, it's gonna grow, like I agree that if you are healthy, your hair is healthy, you want to cut it, it's okay, you can say like it's just hair, it's gonna grow. But at the same time, I have compassion and just respect for all the women or guys that like lose their hair, and it's a really tough situation. So this is why I like my way of thinking change. But when it comes to my hair, I'm really grateful that I'm healthy, and then I can cut my hair and make them grow if I want to. But if you want to change and you are still scared and you're not sure if you want to do it, you know what? We only have one life to live, so cut it. Like if your hair is healthy, it's gonna grow back. So yeah, this is just like a little pep talk that I wanted to share. Anyways, enough talking. I don't know if you are still watching by now. Just comment down below if you like this haircut, or if you prefer my hair when it was longer. It's okay. Like I love both, to be honest. But this is pretty much it. This is gonna be my messy all over the place video. Let me know what you guys think again. Thank you for watching. Bonne journée.